Well, I've seen it seems to be things going from bad to worse. It seems to be like a murder of democracy. आज first time in the history after a motion of vote on account. Normally the opposition is given a chance to speak in all the session. आज this government, the figures that they have given, they were scared. खास करून एक दोन वस्तू तुमचे मुखार हांव मांडपाक सोदता. or action taken report आज दिला. What does this action taken report says? In the overview, out of 446 assurances, 441 assurances have been initiated or implemented or completed. Under completed mode. So when I just went through this, you look at this, highlight this. Table number 1, Public Works Department. The work of observatory towers with viewing gallery, new Zuari Bridge, work completed. आता हिंगा ब्रिज हे टावर येले काय कितें हांव म्हाकाय जेन्ना हे घुमून आयले तेन्ना म्हाका दिसलें की हांव स्वप्नेता काय कितें मातसो पत्तो भायर गेलो पत्तून पयल्यार इफ यू लूक मागीर दोन पेज मुखार गेलो त्या वेळार बारीकसो नदर आयटम नंबर 42 पायपलायन फ्रॉम काराडी टू गुडी दिस इज इन माय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. Action taken, work completed. Is work order पासून दिल ना. त्याच मुखार गेलो pipeline in Chandor Kavori. Action is initiated, work completed. एजी work order अजून दिल ना. त्याच मुखार गेलो गिरदोली उदकाची लाईन मुखारान गेल ना आनी हिंगाय सेम वर्क completed. आज बारीकशें जरी तर चोयल्यार ह्या सरकाराक म्हाका दिसता this report, action taken report itself is a failure. Today, whatever was promised, first of all, it is a murder of democracy. We wanted to put our objection. Throughout the session, you have seen that the way things have been bulldozed, the way bills have been bought in without proper study. And खास करून on the budget, whatever has been promised with regards to mining, when will mining restart? It looks very good to hear to the आयकपाक बरें दिसता पूण हें रीण काडून फेस्तां फुलोवपाचो जो प्रयत्न आहा ह्या सरकाराचो हो बंद जावंक ना. आज प्रत्येक क्षेत्रांनी जावं स्पोर्ट्स इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जावं क्रायम जे वाडटात नथींग हॅज बीन डन विथ रिगार्ड्स टू म्हादय. वॉट हॅज दीस गव्हर्मेंट प्रॉमिस्ड? इट इज बेसिकली थिंग्स आर गोईंग बेसिकली फ्रॉम bad to worse, and the honorable speaker that who was supposed to be the custodian of this house is bulldozed with the thing. This government does not want to hear anything, any regrets they do not want to hear. So Makadista, it is nothing but pushing the business full time. They have taken a vote on account, and it is basically absolutely a crisis if you see today at the start. But आमचे जे opposition आशिल्ले, we will continue this. It is our duty to expose this government, which we will